Today I'm going to make a delicious casserole using only 4 ingredients, and I'll have it in the oven in less than 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to take zucchini. I've got 3 sort of small to medium sized ones here. Okay, and I'm going to add them to my dish here. 2 cups of frozen corn. And 1 cup of salsa. Just going to give that a mix. Now it might look a little bit like there isn't very much moisture in there, but you will see that change as the casserole cooks. We're just going to grease the pan, or the casserole dish here. And our final ingredient is cheese. I'm using an aged cheddar, although the recipe calls for Monterey Jack. I didn't have any Monterey Jack. This recipe is quite forgiving and you can use whatever you have. Okay, now I'm just going to add the cheese on top and then we'll pop it in the oven. It'll take about 30 minutes to cook. It'll depend on how thickly you slice the zucchini, so it may take a little bit less or more time. So if you're in a hurry, slice the zucchini thinner and it'll cook much faster.